So hello friends. So আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব লৈছো salt or pH or বিষয়ে. So we give a heading pH of salts. So normally কি হয় যিকোনো এটা acid, so any acid when react with base they will form salt. Okay, so acid when react with base they will form salt. So but the acidic behavior and basic behavior gives desired salt. That means কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব এচিডটো আমি ষ্ট্ৰং লৈছো নে উইক লৈছো বেসটো ষ্ট্ৰং নে উইক লৈছো হেডটাৰ ওপৰত বেস কৰি সল্টৰ বিহেভিয়াৰ জেনাৰেট হ'ব বা প্ৰডিউসড হ'ব সো যেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব তাৰ ওপৰত বেস কৰি হতৰ pH also changes. So pH will be dependent the behavior of acid and base. So if we take a strong acid and strong base, they will give a salt that is neutral salt. In this case pH will equal to 7. So some examples of neutral salts are sodium chloride and calcium sulfate. Similarly, strong acid when react with weak base they will form acidic salt where pH less than 7. So for example of acidic salts are ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate, etc. Strong base when react with weak base they also form basic salt that is pH greater than 7. That some examples are calcium carbonate, sodium acetate. So these are the requirements for better understanding of acid and base. That means salt also may be sometimes acidic and basic nature or maybe neutral. In this case also the pH value changes. So we have to understand about the pH. Okay, so আগৰ ক্লাছত আমি pH এর বিষয়ে পঢ়ি আইছো. সো আমাৰ এনভায়রনমেন্টত তো বহুত pH লেভেল থাকে বা আমাৰ বডি ভিতৰতো pH লেভেল কন্ট্ৰোল কৰি থাকিব লাগে. সো normally chemical reaction to pH এর উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হয়. সো এটুৱে কথা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছে. ঠিক আছে. সো এই এনেকুৱা যিবিলাক সল্ট আছে তাৰ ভিতৰত আমাৰ চেপ্টাৰটোত বিশেষকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট দিয়া হৈছে sodium chloride, that is common salt. That means common saltৰ ওপৰত বেস কৰি বা common saltক আমি reactant হিচাপে লৈ these five salts are prepared. These five salts are prepared that are used in our daily activity or that are used by us. Okay, so that means আমাৰ কি হয় ইয়াক আমি সাধাৰণতে আমি সোডিয়াম ক্লোৰাইডক আমি কমন সল্ট বা ইডিবল সল্ট বুলি কওঁ যেটো আমি ঘৰত খোৱা সল্ট নিমখ and that is also called as in chemical language that is called rock salt. Due to the behavior of sodium chloride and structural behavior of sodium chloride they so scientists call them rock salt. So the rock salts are normally used in various reactions as a reactant, major reactant, which gives desired product. So that means when sodium chloride react with some other reactant to give this reactant, so respectively different compounds are formed with reaction with different reactant. So sodium chloride is the major reactant, but when they react with others reactant they will form different compounds and that are very useful. Okay, so here is our sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris, and these are their chemical formula. So these five compounds we will study in this chapter and their behaviors. So basically we have to study the preparation of these compounds from the sodium chloride with other reactant and their uses in our daily life. So it is very important chapter. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Okay, so first is sodium hydroxide. Okay, so I already মই লিখি থৈছো. So তাৰ বিষয়ে মই ডিসকাস কৰিছো. So PDF will be supplied on the description, so please download from there. So ইয়াত লিখি থাকোঁতে বহুত সময় গুচি যায় গতিকে মই আগে লিখি পিনি তোমাক এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছো. Okay, so first discuss about sodium hydroxide. So normally the preparation of sodium hydroxide process from sodium chloride is normally known as chlor-alkali process. Okay, so in this process there is a basic diagram. You see, this is the diagram for chlor-alkali method. In this process electricity are used. So in this positive negative loop we can pass through electricity, and two metal rods are used which are used as a cathode and anode. So these are used as a anode, these are used as a cathode. Okay, so in this cathode and anode are connected through an electrical switch or some electrical source where we can generate it current. Okay, we can pass through passes current through them into the cathode and anode, and then passes to the solution, that is electrolyte. In this solution we use sodium chloride plus water, that is called brine solution. Okay, so sodium chloride jetia water logot ami aqueous medium le convert korim, that are called brine solution, and that the brine solutions are normally used as a electrolyte. Okay, these are used as a electrolyte. So electrolyte hoy aru yat ki hobo jetia sodium chloride water logor reaction hobo, they will produce our desired product sodium hydroxide and along with chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Okay, so chlorine gas are released at anode, hydrogen gas are released at cathode, and the remaining sodium hydroxide, that is our desired product, will be just below the cathode, or we can remove from them. Okay, so these are the membranes are used in this is the setup to proceed the chlor-alkali process. So there will be present a membrane, through which membrane these ions are passes through them. Okay, so these ions are passes, so H positive ions are coming towards here, H positive ions are coming towards cathode, and Cl minus ion are towards anode. That means Cl negatives are, so we will become to positive metal rod, that means positive electrode, and the positive ions are moved towards the negative electrode, and they are combined and they will reduce to form hydrogen and chlorine respectively on their cathode and anode. So these are the basic diagrams, so you just draw it first. So you can also see on your textbook, so you can draw from there. Okay, so in this process we passes electricity. Through electricity the brine solutions are decomposed to these compounds, these ions H positive and Cl minus ion, that are again reduced at cathode and anode respectively to form chlorine and hydrogen gas, and also formed our product sodium hydroxide. So basically by the degradation of brine solution we can form our products. So let's see here. So when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that means addition of water into sodium chloride. Okay, that is brine solution, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. So this is the reaction involving in this process, in chlor-alkali process. So sodium chloride, water, sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. So these three are the products and these two are the reactants. So sodium chlorides with other reactant, that means in this case water is the other reactant. Okay, so at cathode hydrogen gas is released. So already we observed in this diagram, you see hydrogen gas are released in at cathode, so chlorine gas are released at anode. Okay, so the hydrogen gas released at cathode, that are used in fuels and fertilizers. At anode chlorine gas is released, which are used in water treatment, PVC, it's a polymer that are used in our households items, to make households items. Okay, CFC is a compound, chemical compound. Normally nowadays its production is banned. Okay, so pesticides are prepared from chlorine gas. Okay, so another near cathode we already see in this diagram, the sodium hydroxide is solution is formed, and this is our the major product, and that are used in soap and detergent making, paper and fiber making industry. So it is very important compound in our industry level, or it is a useful compound. So this is sodium hydroxide then. Okay, so you got the notes from the PDF, please download from there. Okay, thank you. So let's discuss more about this reagent. Okay, so when hydrogen and chlorine are present or developed in the cathode and anode, then they also combine to form hydrochloric acid. Okay, that means when hydrogen and chlorine reacted, they will form hydrochloric acid, and that are used in industry for the preparation of medicines and cosmetics. Okay, so hydrochloric acid also have a great uses. Then the mixture of chlorine and sodium hydroxide is used to as a very important reagent, that is bleach. So that are used in household bleach, bleaching fabrics. In different parts we can use the bleach. So this is the general form of bleach. By adding some some additive compounds, that will make different types of bleach. Okay, so it is very important. So sodium hydroxide is why very important. Okay, that is a strong base one of. So next is bleaching powder. So the chemical formula is CaOCl2. Okay, so in this process we can make bleaching powder. So it is prepared by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Okay, so chlorine gas when react with dry slaked lime, they will form bleaching powder along with water. Okay, so dry slaked lime is normally known as calcium hydroxide, and the bleaching powder chemical formula already we got CaOCl2, which is also known as calcium hypochlorite. Okay, so it is very important. You just remember these chemicals, IUPAC name of this bleaching powder. So bleaching powder is common name. Okay, so its uses is bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. That means bleaching powder is also used in different types of industry. That is basically textile industries what yak use kora hoy as a bleaching cotton and linen. Okay, so another two examples or uses, and it is bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, oxidizing agent in chemical industries, disinfecting agent in drinking water. Okay, so this is very important. So already আমি ব্লিচিং পাউডাৰ আমি ঘৰত ইউজ কৰি থাকোঁ এজ এ ইনফেক্টিং এজেণ্ট. অ'কে, চ' এইটো কামত আমি বহুত ইউজ কৰোঁ. বাকী এই দুটা বস্তু আমি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি লেভেলত ইউজ হয় বা লেবৰেটৰী লেভেলত আমি ইউজ কৰা হয়, বাট আমাৰ ডেইলি হাউচ হোল্ড গুডছত আমি এইটো ইউজ কৰোঁ. অ'কে, so next is baking soda. So it is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this is the chemical formula of baking soda. Okay, so in this preparation technique, it's very simple. The sodium chloride react to it aqueous medium, and in which passes carbon dioxide gas and ammonia. Okay, so they will form ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is known as baking soda. So in this case we should require 4 reactant. So that 4 reactant is sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. So normally when the brine solution are made and then passes through carbon dioxide gas, and when carbon dioxide passes through them and little bit ammonical condition is applied, that means some ammonia will be added here, then these 4 reagent combinedly give desired 2 products, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so there is also important term in this condition. So when sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is present, we if we heat them, that means during cooking already ami baking soda ami cooking ot use koro. So cooking or process ot jodi ami sodium hydrogen carbonate heat koro, on heating sodium hydrogen carbonate, it will further degrade it to sodium carbonate water and carbon dioxide gas. So it is very important. And this is a carbonate. Normally carbonates are corrosive, but sodium hydrogen carbonates are non-corrosive salt. Okay, so it is very important term. So normally carbon dioxide gas process or produce in the above reaction causes dough to rise and make cakes, pastries spongy and soft. আমি ব্রেডও যদি বনাও ব্রেডবিলাক স্পঞ্জি আৰু সফট কৰি তোলে কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইড গেছটো তাত সোমাই ফুফুলা কৰি তোলে এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ আমি ক'ব পাৰোঁ সো স্পঞ্জ টাইপৰ কৰি তোলে আৰু সফট কৰি তোলে সো কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইড গেছৰ কাৰণে হয় সো এই ৰিয়াকশ্যনটো পাৰফৰ্ম হয় দ্যাট ইজ ৱাই ব্ৰেড পেষ্ট্ৰিজ কেকস বিলাক আমি স্পঞ্জি আৰু সফট হিচাপে আমি পাবলৈ পাওঁ কাৰণ ইহঁতি কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইড গেছটো ভেৰি ফাষ্ট ফ্লো তাত সোমাই থাকে ওকে সো ইউজেস যদি আমি চাওঁ ইয়াৰ সো কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইড is very important part or important role in the cooking process. Okay, so because sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda always generated or produce carbon dioxide due to heating. Okay, so please remind it. So uses sodium is how first uses is for making baking powder. So baking salt or ami baking powder make koribo paro. So that means so tak make koribo kan ami ki koribo lagibo to baking powder logot kisman edible acid অলপমান edible acid আমি তাক দি দিলে হি নিজে নিজে rearrange হৈ যাব to form baking powder. So baking salt বা baking soda আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো সাধাৰণতে so tartaric acid one example of edible acid so ইয়াৰ যদি little drop আমি দি দিও then it will convert it to baking powder. So sodium hydrogen carbonate baking soda H positive represent any edible acid condition so they will give the product carbon dioxide and water along with sodium salt of acid. Okay, so these conditions produces that sodium salts of acids are normally used as a baking powder. Okay, so let us discuss next uses an ingredient in antacid. So normally baking sodas are used as a mild base. Okay, so when we got acidity in our stomach then we have to add some base like material and that are normally called antacid. Okay, so in antacid or as an antacid we can use baking soda also. Okay, so that is why an ingredient of antacid hisabe ami tak use koribo paru used in soda acid fire extinguisher also. So it is very important compounds. Okay, so next compound is washing soda. So this formula is sodium. Normally washing soda is sodium carbonate but it will crystallize 10 moles of water molecule. That means 10 number of water molecules will be crystallized in this compound sodium carbonate Na2CO3 crystallize so they form a new types of compound. So that means when we heating washing soda they will only form they will releases water and only this part will be remain. Okay, so so 10H2O means not it is in liquid state. That means the water molecule are present in this compound in crystallized form. Okay, so so we will discuss about crystallization of water molecules in different compound. So first we have to study about preparation. Okay, so recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda that is also basic salt. That means their behavior will be basic salt. That means we used as a strong base and weak acid or mild acid. So water in this case used as acid, sodium carbonate is a mild base or strong base. So they will on heating they will form sodium carbonate dot that. That means these water molecules will be crystallized in this compound. They will convert it to in the solid form. Okay, basically. Okay, so this is washing soda. Washing soda. Okay. So the uses of washing soda. Number one, in glass, soap and paper industry. B, manufacture of borax. Borax is a compound, sodium tetraborate. Okay, so it is very important compound that are used in different reaction as a reactant. Okay, so cleaning agent for domestic purpose, we already use washing soda for clean koribo karone. For removing permanent hardness of water, so water normally two types of thake, temporary hardness and permanent hardness bili koa hoy. So permanent or temporary hardness to is basically presence of ions. So presence of ions upon base kori metal ions upon base kori tak ami hard, permanent hard and temporary hardness ami define koru. So this will be discussed in higher classes, but normally ami ki bili gom pao je permanent hardness of water remove koribor karone ami washing soda use koribo paro. So yata ami palo je recrystallization of water. So normally water crystallization mane nu ki hoy ami in the study kobo. So water crystallization mane beleg eku nohoy, some number of water molecules will be added on some definite compound in crystallized form. So that means it is a fixed number of water molecules present in the one formula unit of salt. That means any salt can contain water molecule in the solid form. So that means in the crystallized form, and that together give a desired compound. So normally copper sulfate are present 5 moles of water molecules. That means 5 water molecules are normally crystallizes with copper sulfate. So on heating them, this will convert it to copper sulfate. That means the water molecule will be vaporized. Similarly, this in this case also Na2CO3 water molecule will be vaporized. In this case also calcium sulfate will be present, water molecule will be vaporized. Okay, so it is very important. So normally we have to see some changes also when we heat them. So basically the copper sulfate color will be changes to white color, but all compounds cannot change their colors normally. Okay, so these are important. So sodium carbonate also changing from white to yellowish white. So in this way they will change this. Okay, so this compound also have a common name that is called gypsum. Okay, this is also important reagent that are used in to prepare in different compounds. Okay, so water crystallization is nothing but it's a number of water molecule attached with some definite compound. Okay, in the crystallizing form, that is called water of crystallization. Okay, so next we discuss the last compound, that is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Let's discuss about fifth. So plaster of Paris. So it's also known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. That means half of H2O molecules will be present. Okay, so normally calcium sulfate it is normally used in the by doctor. It is used by doctor in bone fracture, bone fracture I mean normally ব্যবহার করে. So it is a very smooth materials or soft powder like materials. When mixed with water, they will give a solid mass, and that solid mass is converted to 2H2 molecules, that is converted to gypsum, and it is also prepared from gypsum. Okay, so in the preparation we see on heating gypsum, that is calcium sulfate dot 2H2, that is 2 moles of water molecule will be crystallized on calcium sulfate. So already we discussed some few minutes ago. So at 373 Kelvin it loses water molecule. That means if we heat, the water molecule will be lost from this compound as a vapor. So water molecule will be lost at 373 Kelvin temperature and becomes plaster of Paris. It's short form POP. Okay, so it will plaster of Paris will come. So this is the reaction. So normally So normally this reaction is not indicated here, that just it is when hitting two more, the water molecule releases and presents and again form this compound. There is 1.5 water molecules will be lost from there. Okay, so this is a white powder. Normally this is a white powder like material. On mixing with water molecules, it changes to gypsum again. So gypsum is a solid mass. Okay, so again it will convert it to gypsum. It is very important. So ekarone ki hoy doctor eneke mohari hatot ba bhorit jodi bhage jot bhage tatke mohari tia prothomte patol layer hoy thake laha ki hoy jetia hi olop der pasot solid bone jay tan hoy gusi jay. So very quickly solid form ot gusi ahe. That is a hard mass, that is solid mass, is called gypsum. It is nothing but gypsum. Okay, so jodi ami uses saw, yeah, doctors are used normally. So doctors use POP, plaster of Paris, for supporting fractured bones. Okay, so second is for making toys, materials, for decoration items bilakot use kora hoy, for making surface smooth koribor karone tak kobat smooth mane bahut soft hoy aru mihi hoy for surface to. So ekane kisman surface ot yak use kora hoy smooth koribor karone. So these are the 5 compounds and their uses. So you just remind sometimes these are very important. So it is it is very important to note that. So any of this compound will be asked in your exam. Their preparation, maybe their uses, and sometimes asked their differences between them. Okay, so this 5 compound is very important, so you remind it. So we already finished our chapter. So but some parts we left in the mid position of this chapter. So let's again discuss about this. So normally ki yat ki hoy PS paper. So PS can normally PS since PS measure karo PS only scale become discuss korilu. So normally PS scale also that PS paper through di ami PS check koribo paro. So PS paper ki thake, so a picture apnaloke dekhise. So PS paper is very important term. So PS paper ami ki dekhu, so enoka kisuman number valid thake ya dekha hoise. So PS ki hoy value to kiman pa kiman thakile neutral form ot thakibo, kiman pa kiman form ot thakile acidic form ot thakibo ba basic form ot thakibo. Okay, so tar against a different color thake. So I mean normally jetia PS paper different color thake. So PS paper khon je tat jodi ami di diu solution to jitu amar solution thakibo, solution deep kore jodi ami sao, so that PS paper will changes with different color. Okay, so different color change hoy, tarpor ami different condition ami indicate koribo paro. Okay, so different condition ami indicate koribo paro. So the different conditioner bitorot ase amar ami PS upor dependent kori hihotor color to ami sabo paro, aru tat nature of solution kenoka hoy ami hetu kobo paro, aru tat hydrogen ion concentration beshi ase ne hydroxyl ion concentration beshi ase, ei gutte khini bostu ami illustrate koribo paro. Gotike so PS paper is a general form to introduce pH of the solution. Okay, so PS paper is very important. So PS paper jitu structure hoy normally enoka dhoroner bibhinno types ot ahe. So ami bibhinno company bibhinno dhorone kore, but it's a linear paper, just like a rectangular shape. So just tip one side and you compare with the part jodi ami relate koru, tat ami different color region to pam, he color region to kiman holeke hi kenoka color change koise hetu pot base kori ami PS value to indicate koribo paro. But exact value ajikali ami PS meter ase, so just ami PS meter use kori ami use koribo paro. So PS paper kotha to mo kolu. So different instrument ase, so ami let's discuss. So yate ekhon mo table banai disu. It is a paper which is used for measuring pH. So yate ekhon paper banai disu. pH value, color of the pH paper, nature of the solution, and hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. So close bracket of H positive OS minus likhisu mane close bracket of the any ions or any compound represent the concentration of that respective part. Okay, so concentration of hydrogen ion concentration and concentration of hydroxyl ion. Okay, so it may be in different pH level, their color will be different, and their solutions types also will be different, their concentration will be different. So just we indicate it. Sometimes ask from this table also, you just remind it. So thank you, keep watching, please subscribe it.